This is Rohit, and firstly, welcome to Full Tank Films.
So it's the fifth day of the ride. How are you feeling?
Excited, nervous,
Nervous
also
about what?
a little scared
About what?
about the two water crossings that we're going to do today.
That's the fun part, bro. Like roads and all, you'll get anywhere. You can go to Ooty, you can go to Wayanad and everything. You can get the same tower. But water crossing, the off-road.
The only fear is I don't want to fall.
I think that you're gonna overcome. Once you
Daniel, how are you feeling today?
Perfect.
Perfect. Your bike is also ready.
Yeah. Oh, I have to check it. So,
Hey, good morning. Good morning.
our view from the room, amazing.
Yeah. Did you sleep well?
Yeah. But I
Nice.
sleep a lot, but now it's. I think it's good.
Great.
Today is not start day, so that's good.
No.
Yesterday was a
You're
tough day.
mistaken. You're
My-
mistaken. Today is tough.
Yeah?
There are two big water crossings that we have to do.
It's
One is
nothing.
below the,
It's
like you have to
nothing.
go down the hill.
But I mean the distance. It's
Yeah, distance is only just 90 kilometers.
easy.
I no longer believe in distance.
Oh yeah. Strictly
Today's itinerary is going to be, we're going to start from Keelong, and then we're going to go to Zingzingbar, then we go to Baralalcha Pass, and then we stop at Bharatpur, and then finally to Sarchu. So it's not a long ride, but we're going to do around 90 kilometers, and people are already excited here. A little scared, a little nervous, but yeah, we're totally up for it. Oh my god. The cold breeze when it's hitting the jacket is feeling so good. मैं लुट-पुट गया, मैं तो गया, मैं तो भाई साहब, just look at that bridge. And look at the water flowing below. Crazy. थोड़ा सा हेडेक जैसा हो रहा है हमको. We stopped for a hard regroup because there's a checkpost ahead, and everybody's here. The paperwork and everything will be easily done because if we all are there together. So we're gonna stop here, do the paperwork there, and then take the turn and go. So that's the plan, guys. So we've just crossed the longest bridge of Himachal Pradesh. It's called the Darcha Bridge, and we've just left. রাইট লেউচিস তোমাকে রাস্তা দেখো না, अच्छे से देखबे, दिखबे. we're just 9 kilometers away from Zingzing Bar and 30 kilometers away from Baralal Chala. So yeah, we're making it early because the target time to reach Satchu is 3, because there are going to be a few water crossings which are going to come up, so we don't want to risk it by taking breaks at the first place. So let's see how it goes. 9 kilometers to Zingzing Bar, and just look at the view here, man, amazing. And look at those snow-capped mountains. Even in July, you will find snow up there. Crazy. जाओ आराम से आराम से. I think from here it's just going to be uphill. We're going to gain a lot of altitude, so to make sure that we take long breaths and ride slow. Gaining altitude like crazy, because just look at those mountains. We were seeing it from very far in Keelong, and just look at it now, how clear the mountains are to the eyes. I don't know if the camera is doing justice, but I could see it crystal clear. Look at this, the color of the water. It's blue, man, blue. We're here at Baralal. Amazing, man. We're at 16,040 feet and I'm feeling the shortness of breath. Although even if I just take a small walk, or if I'm talking too much, then I'm feeling a little short of breath, and we need to ascend as soon as possible, man. Man, I'm getting that headache again at 16,040 feet. All this while I used to think that this is probably I'm drinking less water or something like that, but looks like this AMC, which is called as acute mountain sickness, is actually true. This is the mountain that we were seeing from down there back in Darcha, and we're right next to it right now. Crazy. We just had our lunch here in Bharatpur. The situation here is you cannot talk fast, you cannot walk, you have to take slow steps, and you have to talk very slow, else you'll be running short of breath, because we are at 16,000 feet right now. Probably a little less than that also, but yeah, man, take it slow and chill. Say hi. Yeah, Adventure Camp, we are here. So this is going to be our campsite for today. Oh, just look at the view, and we have everyone here, and these are all the tents that we're going to stay at today. So we are here at the Sarchu Adventure Base Camp. Just let me show it to you. These are all the tents, and Lucas is sitting there enjoying the sun. And right here at this point, it's very difficult to take a breath. हाँ sir, अभी आ रहे हैं. So we're gonna be staying here for tonight, and we move to Leh tomorrow.
Fuck you! GoPro, stay up, you play. Nina the captain hai.
Play the bumps.
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 ये क्या है? Bumps. My always bumps. Doesn't matter.
घूमा अब क्या करें?
चलो ओके. वैसे भी हारने वाले हो. We'll give it at 8 overs. Yeah. 8 or 6.
6 कर दो.
8 no first. You will not get enough chance to play. Yeah.
10 overs. 10 overs.
Everybody gets one over.
Yeah. 10 overs.
Everybody gets one over.
जी anything is fine.
We do one thing. जो
White करने ने क्या?
बाहर गया तो
No, full time out. No.
anyway we're playing 8 overs, no?
8 overs, one pitch is easier.
भाई इसमें हवा आती है, बॉल में मारना मुश्किल है.
अरे वो सब तो ठीक है.
फील्डर्स भी है ना.
अच्छा white के रन है क्या?
हाँ white you.
White के रन है?
Somebody keep a count. Who's good at math in our team?
We are here playing cricket at 14,000 feet, and he's gonna bat first.
इधर. अच्छा हाँ वैसा है क्या? हाँ भी खेलेगा. एक काम कर यहाँ पे रख. छोटा फर्क. ये देखिए. यहाँ पे रखते हैं.
हाँ.
स्टंप है बराबर है. वहाँ से खेलेंगे.
Yes.
और थोड़ा यहाँ ले लिया.
We have the ball and we have the bat itself, and because we have nothing to do here, we don't have network, and there's no phone, nothing that we can do, so we are gonna play gully cricket.
Last ball. बात कर रहे भाई. On. Out.
It's out. Out. That was a good shot, mate.
Good shot.
It was a good shot.
You have to go in the floor.
Yeah. It should go on the.
Okay.
Got it?
So this is what you do when you don't have network. So you start to live life.
Also take it easy.
Yeah.
Also take it easy. This is how easy it is.
This is how we are taking it easy by playing cricket.
Come on, 35. Two more to win.
Shit.
अरे all out. Lost a wicket. Hansley.
आशिक है. हंसले और आशिक है.
आशिक. मुंजी बात कर आशिक. मुंजी ले.
मुंह पे मार दे.
लावली.
ओ बहन चोद आशिक शाबाश.
Come on. कोई तो बोल रहा था यू थिंक यू कैन विन. हाँ बताओ भाई. हाँ क्या चाहिए?
So this is how we're staying inside the tent. It's too cold. I'm with my gloves and also the socks, and I'm wearing 2 jackets. Man, it's still very cold.